Hi, in this video I will show you how to use TikTok emojis. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your TikTok mobile application and from here click on this plus button and now upload any video from your gallery or you can simply shoot here. Now you have to click on this tick button. After that you will see sticker button here, you have to tap on it. Now you will see two options here. You have to tap on the emojis. Now you will see multiple emojis here. Select any emoji and tap on it and you can use TikTok emojis like this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.